So today I'm talking about a P1516 code, what it is and how you go about fixing it. And so what is a P1516 code? Well, it's a throttle actuator control module, throttle actuator position performance. And what does this mean? Well, fuel-injected engines have what's called a throttle body, which basically just controls all the air going into the engine. And to do this, it has what's called a butterfly plate that'll open or close when the gas pedal is pressed. So when the engine's idling, that plate's going to be almost closed. It'll be slightly open to let a little air in, but it'll be almost closed. And then when the gas pedal's pressed, this butterfly plate's going to slowly open up to allow air into the engine to go into the cylinders. The first throttle body systems used the cable that was attached to the gas pedal. And when you pressed on the gas pedal, this cable would open up the throttle body plate and let air into the engine. But many vehicles now use electronic throttle control system, which basically has a sensor down on the gas pedal that reports the location of the pedal as it's pressed. And this throttle body plate is going to have a little motor on it that'll open up that plate at the correct amount so that air can go into the engine. And that basically gets rid of that cable that used to go to the throttle body and open it up. And when you get a P1516 code, there's some kind of issue going on here with one of these sensors or one of these modules. And so it's got to be troubleshooted to know why. And so what are some possible causes of a P1516 code? Well, the first thing that could cause is that there's something wrong with the throttle body. There's some kind of issue going on with it, like this plate isn't opening up correctly or something along these lines. A very common problem with throttle bodies is that they just become really dirty and they got a lot of buildup on that plate and different things like this, and that can cause issues. And so if you look at your throttle body and it does look very super dirty, then you can get some throttle body air intake cleaner. And basically you just spray inside there. You can even use like a small little toothbrush or something like that and use a rag and you wipe it out and just clean it up real good. And quite often that works. You just need to clean up the throttle body. One thing to mention is that if you do clean up the throttle body, when you first go to start up the engine, it can run badly for like 30 seconds or a minute or so until all that throttle body cleaner gets burnt away. But then after that, it should run better. But the first thing that could cause this is something's wrong with that throttle body. The next thing that could cause this is a wiring issue, mainly with the wiring harness going to the throttle body, although it could be somewhere else, but usually it'd be the harness going to the throttle body. If there's anything wrong inside the wiring, like an open, short, bad connection, then this is going to cause issues. Sometimes these can even have a bad ground wire going to them, and that can also cause issues. But the next thing that could cause this is that there's some kind of issue going on inside the wiring. And the next thing that can cause this is a bad throttle actuator control module or the motor that's controlling that butterfly plate. It's going to depend on the vehicle, the year, the make, the model, different things like this for what's going on. So it's a good idea to get a diagram for your specific vehicle to know for sure what's going on with it, because there can be some differences for exactly what's going on inside of the system. But if that throttle actuator control module goes bad, then that's going to cause issues. Also the wiring going to it, if there's anything wrong with it, then it's also going to cause problems. And also that throttle actuator control motor that controls the butterfly plate, if there's anything wrong with it, then it's also going to cause problems. But the next thing that can cause this is that there's some kind of issue going on in the throttle actuator control. And the last thing on the list is going to be a bad accelerator position sensor. Although usually if this goes bad, you're going to get another code, but there could be some kind of issue going on with it. This is going to be located down on the gas pedal underneath the dashboard. But the last thing on the list is going to be a bad accelerator position sensor. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a vehicle with the P1516 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helped you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.